Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola. If this is your first time stopping by, if it's not, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I get long natural hair fast, and it's going to be using these clip-ins from Betterlength hair that was sent to me. You guys, Betterlength, they specifically make Afro textured clip-in hair, and I love the hair from them. Today I'm going to be using the Afro kinky coily clip-ins, and this is in 16 inches. You guys can see how well this mimics natural hair. So before going ahead to install it, I decided to do a quick shampoo and condition session on the hair. You guys, this hair looks so much like my natural hair. It mimics natural hair in the behavior so much that I just decided I'm going to treat it just like my natural hair. So as you can see, I'm using some conditioner. I went ahead to detangle it just to get out any of the tangles. Then I went ahead and I rinsed the hair, and it was so soft. I only got very little shedding, which I was very impressed by. And then I went ahead and I styled the hair using a curl cream and a gel. I'll have a list of all the products I use down in the description box if you're interested. So now I let the hair dry overnight, and as you guys can see, the curls were really popping. And this is the next day. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of this silk bag, which I think is really cute that you can store your clip-ins in. And this is only one pack of hair, you guys. One pack is more than enough. So I put my hair into 2 jumbo flat twists because I was honestly just being lazy. If you can cornrow your hair or just put in a bun, I think that would be so much better. So now I'm going to start applying the clip-ins to my hair. It's such an easy process. All you have to do is open up the clip-ins, put them in your hair, and then clip them close. It's that simple. Just make sure that you're not clipping it too close to your scalp or too tight to your scalp so that you don't get any headache, or so that it's not painful. It's not supposed to be painful at all. And you just want to kind of install this as if you were installing regular tracks or as if you were getting a sew-in. So once I'm done with that front section, I'm just moving on to the back, and I'm just going to measure out the size of my head and see what clip-in fits in perfectly for that particular level that I'm on. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do until I'm done installing all of the clip-ins. After I was done, I kind of felt like the front wasn't as full or as high as I would like. So I actually went ahead and added some more clip-ins to the front section. Now this is only one bundle of hair, but it comes with 10 pieces of clip-ins, and one bundle is more than enough for your entire head of hair. And I feel like that is just perfect. You don't have to buy more than one bundle. And I didn't leave my hair out in between, but it's still very full and it doesn't show any of my hair underneath at all. So I'm just spritzing my hair with some water just to get it a bit more soft and manageable, so that I can easily blend my natural hair in with the clip-ins.
Listen, wait, we make
So I'm taking some of my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to apply that to my hair. Because my hair was in a stretched state, you can't really see any of my natural curls. So I'm just going to be applying some Eco Styler gel. I'm also going to go back with some water, just spray that on my hair, just to make sure that my curls are activated and it's blending perfectly with the clip-ins. Now, this is how I like to blend my clip-ins with my hair. I love to take small sections of the clip-ins and just twist them in with my own natural hair. I find that this gives me a more seamless look as opposed to when I just leave my hair over the clip-ins, because when my hair dries up and it shrinks, you can kind of just see that demarcation. So if you can, just take little pieces of the clip-ins and just twist and twirl them in with your own natural hair. As you guys can see here, my hair blends so well with this hair that I had to be tugging at my hair just to make sure that that was actually my hair and not the clip-ins. So yeah, the blend is very good. These are the 4B 4C clip-ins, and my natural hair is actually more of a 4A 4B, but it's still blended perfectly. So for the front section, I just decided to add a bit more gel and slick it down. And I'm also going to be using a bobby pin just to hold that in place. You can choose to wear your hair like this, or you can use it as a method to just stretch the front section until you're ready to let it down, which is what I eventually did. I actually wanted to let the front section down, but for now, I just slicked it down just so it gives a cute little style. And this clip-in was actually at the back, but it was a little too long and I didn't want to cut it, so I took it off. And now I'm just going to be teasing my hair just to get it a bit more full. I really like that voluminous look when it comes to my clip-ins. And yeah, you guys, this is basically the finished look. This step doesn't take me more than like 20 minutes to fully install the clip-ins and blend them in with my hair. It's a very, very quick process. As you guys can see, my hair is blending so well with these clip-ins. When I went out, everybody thought it was my hair, and honestly, it is my hair. So I was just telling them lies, like, yeah, this is my hair. There's no way I'm gonna deny that it's not. So this is what my hair looked like after taking down the bobby pins. It was so freaking realistic, you guys. If you'd like to get these clip-ins as well, I'll leave a link in the description box to the exact ones that I have, as well as my coupon code that'll save you $5 off your order. Really hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.